Hi everyone, today we will be migrating our Xamarin Forms app to .NET MAUI app. First we will create a sample Xamarin Forms blank template app. We will name the project Sample Xamarin, press Continue. We will give a different name for the solution of the project to differentiate solution and each projects placed under it. Choose the directory to save the project and press Create. We have commands to migrate our app. I already have the .NET Upgrade Assistant installed, but if you're following along and haven't installed it yet, here's how you can do it. Open a terminal or command prompt and run this command. .NET Tool install G Upgrade Assistant. Now to start the migration, run the command Upgrade Assistant upgrade and give the path of the solution file. Press Enter in the terminal or command prompt. Select Sample Xamarin Project. Now, select In Place Project Upgrade. Choose .NET 8 Framework. Type Y. And migration process will proceed. The upgradation will take some time. Selecting In Place Project option replaces your Xamarin Forms app to .NET MAUI. Your .cs proj file now targets .NET 8, replacing Xamarin Forms with Microsoft MAUI controls. You can remove Xamarin Forms Android and iOS projects, as we don't need them hereafter. And that's it. You've successfully migrated your Xamarin Forms app to .NET MAUI.